This is an eBac 2650E, a great mid-range dehumidifier with eBac's patented smart control. This dehumidifier has better performance than which best buys. The eBac 2650E will solve damp and condensation problems quickly and more efficiently than other brands. Smart Control is very efficient and ensures moisture problems are solved, and also reduces running costs by up to 30%. Smart Control is only available on eBac dehumidifiers. The 2650E can be moved around with this integrated handle. You can also add casters and wheel the unit around your home to the ideal position. Casters are an optional accessory. This is the filter compartment. The filter can be changed very easily. A number of filters are available, including carbon and antibacterial filters. A standard carbon filter is included. You can add a BactiGuard filter. eBac's BactiGuard filter removes bacteria, germs and mold spores from the air. When you switch on the dehumidifier, it automatically enters Smart Control. Smart Control will analyse the environment and detect when the dehumidifier should run to remove damp and condensation. The fan speed can be controlled by pressing these buttons, this to reduce fan speed, this to increase fan speed. When the water container is full, the 2650E will automatically shut off and this indicator light will illuminate. To empty the water container, open the front compartment and remove the fully enclosed water container by the handle. The water container holds up to 3.5 litres and has been designed to make it easy to hold and pour. The 2650E will remove around 1 to 2 litres of water per day, depending on the condition in your home, and can remove a maximum of 18 litres. The 2650E also has intelligent defrost. This ensures the dehumidifier runs efficiently, more efficient than other dehumidifiers. The system that removes the moisture from the air is special too. Hydrophilic coated coils improve the efficiency of water extraction. The body is made from ABS polymer strong plastic that is durable and will withstand bumps and bashes. The 2650E also has a permanent drain feature, where a pipe can be connected and placed into a drain to allow continuous operation without having to empty the water container. The drainage kit is an optional accessory. It also has an integrated cable tidy for when the unit is not in use. The 2650E is an extremely good, mid-market dehumidifier that will solve damp and condensation in any home. It performs better than which best buys and is entirely made in Britain. It comes with a 2-year guarantee.